So many of you have asked me how I put together the colors in this particular alba. This is a stash buster, and I held one thread of fingering yarn together with one thread of silk mohair. What I did was I took a basket and then I dove into my stash for some pinks, some red maybe, brown, and different tones, variegated also. And then I picked from my stash also neutral colors, beiges, white, brown. By all means add in some glitter if you want to. That's a perfect addition. When it comes to the mohair, you can use it on both sides. So the mohair sort of goes in the middle. Copper, gold, white, brown, and just anything you find. You have a fingering coral and a mohair white. You can reverse that if you have like a beige fingering and then a coral mohair. So play around and switch around and have fun. The only thing to consider is that you don't run out of any particular color. I recommend starting with something soft here and something that goes with your complexion, and then you start playing. And also, once you reach body and sleeves, I recommend doing one pattern section at a time, first on the body, then on both sleeves, before moving on to the next combination, because you never know if you get tempted to use a brown here and again here, that maybe you don't have enough left to do the sleeves afterwards. So you start here with your favorite color, something soft against your neck, and then you just play. That's how I did it, and that's how you can do it too.